Greetings and welcome to this full guide on Misaka26 for your Windows PC. Misaka26 is completely free and we are at its official GitHub page, as you can see it right here. This video is for education and informational purposes with the only aim to use Misaka26 to customize or tweak your device, ranging from versions iOS 16.0 through iOS 26.1. Yes, it also works with iOS 26.2 beta 1. Also, before using Misaka26, I highly recommend that you back up all your data, because if in any case anything goes wrong, you can always restore. With Misaka26, you can have these features enabled, as you can see this list right here on the official GitHub page for Misaka26. And if you check out the releases, you can see that we have the latest build right here which works on Windows. If you scroll down, you will simply get this zip file to your computer first, like so, and then right click and then hit extract all, and you will get this folder. Now, to make Misaka26 work, you will need iTunes. So simply go to the official Apple's website to get iTunes to your computer. I recommend installing it from the official links here instead of getting it from the Microsoft Store. Once iTunes is installed, you're good to go. As you may be asking if Python is required, no. As you can see, I did not install Python on this computer. As you can see, if you check out this directory, go to internal, you can see Python is already built into it, the Python's portable version. Now at this point, simply connect your device via USB. And if I open iTunes, you can see my device is an iPhone SE 2nd generation running iOS 26.1. As you can see right here, open the Misaka26 folder. You will see this file, right click and then run it as administrator. You will see this interface, and from there you will select the MobileGestalt playlist file. Now let's see how we can get the playlist file from our device to this computer. Now, before you can get the MobileGestalt playlist file, we will simply prepare our device. To make this process easier, make sure that you install iZip from the App Store so that you can easily transfer the playlist file to your computer. You can easily get it from the App Store. It is completely free. You can simply search for it and get it. Alright. Next, make sure that you have the Shortcuts app on your device in case you have deleted it. You can also get it from the App Store easily. You can simply search for it and simply get it from here. Now, once you get iZip and the Shortcuts app, you are good to go. Now open Safari and get to the same official GitHub page for Misaka26. Scroll down and you will see how to use. Now simply use this shortcut, simply hit it. From there, simply hit get shortcut and you will land here. You will see this save MobileGestalt. Simply hit add shortcut and you will see this shortcut right here. Simply tap on it. You will see this instruction dialog. Hit OK and then hit click here. Now from there, select the file blob. So we have the file blob here. Simply select it and then hit ns string. You will see this string right here. Now press and hold and then hit select all. Alright. Now simply hit this arrow and then select share. Alright. Now hit save to files. Now save it on my iPhone. Hit on save. It is done. Now go back again, go to files and you will see this text file right here. Now, yes, you can email it to yourself, but the iZip method is a bit easier. So I will simply select it and then hit move. Select iZip from here and then hit move again. Now let's go back to the computer and see how we can use this file. Now simply again connect your device to iTunes and open iTunes and then hit file sharing right here. Go to iZip and you will see this file right here is a text file. Hit on save and then save it somewhere on your computer. Alright. Now simply go to the path where you have saved the text file. You will see this extension .txt. If you don't see it, hit on view, then show, and then simply check this option from here. and you will see the extension. Now right click, rename the .txt to list. Yes. Now you have the file prepared. Now simply keep your device connected and again open Misaka26. Now hit select list file. Then simply select the list file we just got. Open and Misaka26 will show all the possible options for your version. You can see my device name and version right here also. Now, for example, I want to enable charge limit. I will enable always on display. Before you apply changes, I recommend turning off Find My iPhone or Find My iPad. You can turn it back on after you have applied the customizations or tweaks, and then simply hit apply. If you see this error, please don't worry, it will be fixed in the future versions. Alright, I will hit OK. Alright, as you can see, it says success and the device is now rebooting. Hit OK. After we have applied the customizations or tweaks, you can see my device right here. You will see a splash screen. Please don't worry, hit on home and wait, and it will take you to the home screen. Okay, now we will open settings, and then if I go to battery, you can see we have the charge limit right here. All right, I can change it. So now if I go back, as you remember, and we also applied always on display. Go to display and brightness. If I scroll, you can see we have always on display on. You can turn it off from here. All right, if I go back, lock my device, you can see the always on display is now enabled. Again, it's an iPhone SE2 running the same version. Just to confirm, it is iOS 26.1. You can see the build number here. Now, if you want to revert back to stock, it is easy. Now, at this point, simply connect your device via USB and then reopen Misaka26. You will see this interface again. Simply select the playlist file from here. Then select the playlist file we generated earlier. Hit on open. Again, you will see this interface. Then hit this arrow and then hit regenerate MobileGestalt. Reset. Hit it. You will see this error. Don't worry, it will be fixed. Hit on OK. Alright, and you will see success. If you see an error, please redo it. Hit on OK. Alright, after regenerating the MobileGestalt file, if I open settings and go to battery, you can see the charge limit is now gone. And if I open display and brightness, you can see the always on display option is now gone and the device is now back to stock. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.